my name is Natalie Virginia, and today I'm going to show you what I eat every day and what I feed my kids. So I have the apples. I wash them really well. So I'm going to show you step by step what I do. I made the decision that I would start doing lifestyle because I'm not just limited for clothing. I also have a lot of things that I do. So, yeah, I just want to have this opportunity to show you what I eat daily. So, yeah, so let's go. So, that's my apples. So, now let's go. While I was doing that, we need to make, actually, no. So now the second part, we are going to have oranges. So wash them thoroughly. Okay? Make sure they are super, super clean. I like to use my hands because it means everything, I take it out. Okay? Right then. So this is what normally I feed my children in the morning before they go to school. I make sure I give them juice, pure juice that I made. So if you follow me, you will see everything that I eat to lose weight, that what I'm doing for daily basis because I am not just clothing. A lot of people know me as a clothing maker, but most I have more interest in life. Yeah. So yeah. The this is really good juice because it have a lot of um, vitamin C, and a lot of children they don't get vitamin C because they don't take any pill or anything. So children, it's this turmeric. It's pure turmeric. So put there, put the orange, and stick a little ginger there. They won't know. There, nobody will tell. It's a secret. So now we're gonna put cucumber. Cucumber is very good for children. It makes them hydrated. Most children don't drink a lot of water, but if they drink cucumber juice with the cucumber, it's very hydrated. So I do this, give them cucumber. So we put two cucumber. Okay, now our thing was too small, so I have to change it. So I'm gonna continue with that. So now we need to put this. This is so good for blood. Guys, you need this. Wash it totally. Okay. So I put it there. Okay. Let's put it with the ginger, with the cucumber. So I'm gonna put the water down, get a new one. I hope you enjoy my show. So we have cabbage. So we're gonna put the cabbage in for detoxing. Grab your cutting board. Okay. I put the whole cabbage because I want to make sure my children get the whole nutrients. Now, put your cabbage because, okay, your cabbage, do it. Now our cabbage is starting coming out. Look at the rainbow. Ooh. So while we're doing this cleanup, because juice is a lot of work, you have to do a lot of cleaning. So yeah. I hope you like everything that I'm giving you because this is what I do for my own family. And so next, I'm gonna show you lunch, and then after lunch, I'll show you dinner. So that's what I do. So yeah, and then next, we are going to use the, I don't know what you call it, beetroot. Now, after this, I will put beetroot. I buy this a lot. So still have a bunch of spin. Now, what are we gonna do? I'm gonna put the next. I want to make sure the whole cabbage is in there. Okay, we got the whole cabbage. Now, wash your plate. Get this. For me, I put even these pieces. Okay, I don't throw them away. I'm making it just for 2 days, so it's gonna take a little bit time. Okay, get out of the screen, girl. Cheese. As you can see, the colors is super, super beautiful. And if you want to do anything with this, you can put it in the smoothie or you eat it. Mm, it's just cabbage. Just because we need the water from it. Mm, it's actually good. Mm. I like it. Okay, now we put beetroot. This is great juice to start with. Even if you don't eat any food, this is already enough food in your tummy to be able to keep you full. So yeah, I hope you like what I have done. So thank you so much. Yeah, let me wash my hands and then I'll show you in the bottles. Okay, I like mine to make sure I don't know the word. So we have two. The rainbow is so beautiful. It's whew,